Assalamualaikum guys, hope you are all well and doing amazing. I am going to discuss ketone bodies. First we will see content page. What are ketone bodies? Types of ketone bodies, ketogenesis, purpose of ketone bodies, function of ketone bodies. We will discuss them in detail. What are ketone bodies? Ketone bodies are water-soluble molecules and the spontaneous breakdown of product of acetate acetone containing the ketone group that produced from the liver from fatty acid during periods of low food intake. Ketone bodies are readily transported into tissues outside the liver. In brain, ketone bodies are used to make acetyl-CoA into long-chain fatty acids. Types of ketone bodies. Two main ketone bodies are acetoacetate and 3-beta-hydroxybutyrate, while acetone is the third and least abundant ketone body. Ketones are always present in the blood and their levels increase during fasting and prolonged exercise. Ketone bodies are synthesized from acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA is converted to acetoacetate by two metabolic pathways, and acetoacetate is then metabolized to beta-hydroxybutyrate or acetone. Now, here you can see the types of ketone bodies and their formulas. Now, the production of the ketone bodies. The process of production of ketone bodies is called ketogenesis. Now, we will see how ketone bodies are produced. Fat stored in the adipose tissue are released from the fat cells in the blood as free fatty acid and glycerol when insulin levels are low and glucagon and epinephrine levels in the blood are high. Fatty acids are high energy fuels and enter the metabolizing cells, are combined with coenzyme A to form acyl-CoA chains, and then it forms HMG-CoA and then form acetoacetate. The next and final step is the production of acetone and beta-hydroxybutyrate. Now you can see here the flow chart of the production of ketone bodies. Purpose of ketone bodies. Ketone bodies are one of the main products of burning in the body. When there is not enough insulin, your body is unable to use sugar for energy and your body breaks down its own fat and protein. When fat is used, ketone bodies and acid appear in your urine and blood. Function of ketone bodies. Ketone bodies have important role as an energy source during starvation. In liver, fatty acyl-CoA is converted into ketone body. Ketone bodies can be utilized as a fuel in the heart, brain, and muscle, but not the liver. The ketone bodies are efficiently metabolized during peripheral tissues except in the brain. Hope you will understand it. Thank you very much.